Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. We've just come out to fit another Halo Mini on a 2019 BMW M5. Okay, so how the system works is really simple. Someone grabs this key from inside the house, this key here, or clones the key from outside, jumps in, starts it, think they're away. As soon as they put it in gear, car cuts out. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, really simple and straightforward. Just basically start the car, insert the code, which is going to change after the video. So tap, there's our full beam flash inside, and we just select a gear and drive away. Okay, when I turn off the ignition, open the door, system is already armed. Okay, if we want to take it for a service, what we need to do, characteristics of this BMW and the G platforms. If you haven't got your foot on the brake, you have to tap the start button 3 times within 7 seconds to power up the ignition. So 1, 2, 3. There's our ignition, and we're going to put it into valid mode. And the way you do that is insert the code, and on the last press hold. So tap. There it is. We've got our full beam flash to pass authorization. If we keep on holding 15-20 seconds thereafter, we'll get 5 flashes and it will go into valid mode. Okay, watch carefully. There you go, 5 flashes and it's now in valid mode. Okay, really simple and straightforward. So as soon as I open the door, no arming, we're able to start it and put it in gear. It's not speed or distance dependent. Okay, when we get the vehicle back, again, characteristics of this G platform BMW. If you haven't got your foot on the brake, to get the ignition on, you have to tap the start button 3 times within 7 seconds. Tap. Main ignition on. So insert the code again, your code, and hold on the last press. Keep holding for about 20 seconds. Watch carefully. There you go, there's our flash. System is now active. As soon as I open the door, there you go, system is now active. So if I try and start it again, put it into gear, vehicle cuts out. Okay, if we want to change the code, this is very simple. Vehicle cannot be running, but main ignition on. So tap, main ignition on, pass authorization by putting the code in, tap. There's our disarm, then tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times. On the 10th release, we'll get a full beam flash. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our flash. Insert the code. So 1, 2, 3, tap and turn off within 5 seconds. That's our new code learnt. So let's open the door and wait for it to arm. There you go. Let's just start it up. Old code 1, 2, 1, 2. Doesn't disarm. Obviously, put it into gear, it'll cut out. Okay, start it again. New code. This time 1, 2, 3, 1. There's our flash. Put it in gear, drive it away. As I said, this is the Halo Mini fitted to a M5 2019 5 Series BMW. My name's Otto. Company number is 0289060478. 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.